If you searched how to buy shares of Equinix Inc., this short guide will walk you through the essential steps. Equinix is a global data center operator listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EQIX, and this information is for education only, not financial advice. To buy EQIX, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will normally verify your account with an ID document and add funds to your balance before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EQIX to find Equinix Inc. Select the result that matches the company name to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent movement. Verify the company details and ticker EQIX to confirm this is the correct Equinix share. To invest, click Buy or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order summary carefully. Confirm the order. If the market is closed, the trade will execute when it reopens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade completes, your Equinix position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.